Even when it's modded. Take it down a little level. The alarm is still broken.
Oh, that's right, I forgot.
And then, yep, when we go down, it's gonna do it. Oh,
if it will.
Delayed. Yep. Oh my god.
It does it the worst when we stand in the corners.
Yep. We tested that already. Oh my.
These are quite the experience, I'll say that.
The other one's not bad though. You could do
The other ones are modded so much better.
I mean, yeah, except they broke down. Wait, they broke down like 5 times. Here, you can do it now.
Alright.
You can press 3. I'll stand here.
Alright. 3, 2.
Yep. Here we go.
That's not even
Wonderful.
funny, bro.
Wonderful. Alright, we'll do one more. Yeah.
Oh, the button just flashed.
Yeah, it does. It's a glitch. It happens with the.
You
other
kind
one,
of see
too.
the crack there.
Oh yeah, look. Yep, that little crack. Oh my god.
Literally, when they were Schindlers, they were doing this. How did I'm not even surprised that Excel fumbled this badly.
Yep. No, they didn't put WD-40 on the guide rails. That's why. That's why the Schindler was doing it too. And they didn't do it again. I'm gonna send this one up. Let's get the other one. Actually, you want to take it up?
I actually kind of want to hear it from the outside.
Yeah, I'll send that to 3. The other one's on. Oh, the other one's on 2 now. Oh yeah, that's right. We just hold it up there.
Yeah, it doesn't regard. But actually, not as bad.
It's not bad when people are in it, or when no one's in it. It's locked.
I tried.
Also, when the other one gets down here, you're gonna see how bad it's leveling this. Oh, wait, the other one is stopping. Oh wait, no, never mind. It's just really, I think it's pretty slow. And the other one just got up to 3. This one is significantly slower. I think the FPM on these.
It literally just thinks. It literally is an easy fix.
Yep. Just put WD-40 on the guide rails, and then look at the leveling on this one.
Oh.
Yep. And the lantern. See, look at
That's
this.
not even okay. That's not even funny.
Look. Look at that. All right, 3. And the lantern actually like rings on this one, but it's very faint. There we go. Has a different floor passing chime.
The motor on this reminds me of B cluster.
Yeah, it's kind of similar.
Yeah, this is a lot better.
Yep. The only thing is the leveling. You're gonna see it right now. It stops. Look at the shaft. You can see how far it stops.
What the?
Yep. Yeah, it stops right. It stops like that on every floor. It's not. It's still under leveled a little bit. Even then, and also go to the.
The other one's still here. Wait, hold it.
No, they won't call.
It's not that. Yeah.
You can't do it with the. You can do it with the Macy's ones, but not these ones.
Yeah, it's not stupid.
A little drop there. Yeah, this one is better, but just a level.
This is just what you call a budget mod.
Yep. That's what Simon does. They do budget things. Well, actually, when they were first installed, they were good, but the other one squeaks the whole ride, and this one just has terrible leveling. So these both have a fair share of fair share of trouble.
You gotta have fun with that. Putting a camera on the windowsill.
That took 11 seconds to level.
The other one's moving, and it's still.
Yep. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you what it does on. Yeah, the other one is there. Also, I'm gonna press 2. Look at the lantern. It's gonna ring. Very faint. Yep. That's how it's moving.
Stopping on one.
Alright, I'm gonna show you something that it does on the second floor.
That leveling.
Yep. Yes, on the second floor it does something interesting. But yeah, look at that distance. Holy. Yeah, that is very far. Look at this leveling. See this? It levels upwards. Yep. And then if we go down to 1, I'll show you something on the first floor. Up. That was bad.
I did not catch that, but that did not sound good.
Yeah. We'll go back up so you can catch it. I'm gonna show you something on the first floor because that's pretty bad too. Yep, it still takes a long time to level here. Alright, so it levels downwards again. And then if you go outside, look. Here, I'll hold it. But look at the indicators. This one works, but look at that one. It's out. Alright, we'll go to. That's the doors. Oh, and it slams here.
We'll end on 2.
Yeah, we'll get off on 2. And then you can get the doors. There's lots of doors on this floor.
Yeah, this one just overshoots.
Yeah,
Well, let's see what the hell it does here.
It only does it on the second floor. On the other floors, it doesn't. Yep.
Yep, that's a screwed up clutch.
Yep. They gotta fix that. It actually wasn't as bad.
Wait.
Before, but... Is the other one gonna come up? I don't think so. Maybe it would actually.
Yep, I got it.
Whoa.
That's not even funny. You can hear it across the entire garage. And there it is right there.
That's how loud it is.
Anyways.
That's it.
Bye.